Okay, this is Mrs. Wakaskis in the library. It is March 21st, 2018, and this video is citing this Daily Life in Rome book, which so many of you guys are going to be using. And so I thought instead of just doing how to do an ebook, I thought how to do this ebook. And that way you can kind of follow what I'm doing and do the same thing, and you will learn in the process. So this is the book we're going to do right here. So we're doing it in Chicago. Okay, in case you haven't done this before, you go into new project, type in the name of the title, ABC book. Alrighty. Actually, maybe I'll make a new project just for you guys. It's in Chicago. It's advanced. Going there. Okay. Now we're going to go into sources and we are going to create a new citation. Okay. So this is an ebook. Okay. You guys got it from a link on the databases, which I have now deleted, so I can't show you, but okay, you know how to get there. So this is an ebook. This is the name of the database, ebook collection, EBSCOhost. Just because you see it written like this doesn't mean it's the correct way to write it in citing, kind of like this, Connecticut. You put capital C, capital T, okay? But today, no, wait, in Chicago, we're doing Chicago. So yeah, so just because you see it written like this doesn't mean this is the exact way to cite it. And then coming over here, let me just, okay, yeah, this is so not right. So, and I'll be honest with you, I have absolutely never, ever seen the citation generator get Chicago correct. So build it in Noodletools, and I'm going to show you how. So we're going to go here. It's a book from a database. So you start by choosing where is it? It's a database, and then you choose what it is. It's a book. Okay, so remember we talked about it was called ebook collection EBSCOhost. There's a couple different ways you could say that. Ebook collection, there we go. EBSCO ebook collection. That's the best way to put it. Click on it. What is it telling me? Name of database should most likely be capitalized. So they're telling you they think the E should be capitalized. Okay, here's why it's not. It's a trademark thing, kind of like iPad, how it's a little I, then a big P. So you're going to leave that alone. We don't put in the URL when it's not a, you put it in the URL. Let's see if it'll tell you. Provide the stable persistent URL by the database. If none, leave URL blank and provide the database name. That's what you're wanting. Leave the URL blank, provide the database name. Alrighty. So here's the name of the title, and that whole thing's the name of the title. I'm going to copy and paste it and put it in Noodletools. Title of book. Okay. Alrighty. So we're going to go back over in here. Who is my author? I can remember how to spell Gregory, but I don't remember how to spell Aldrete. So I'm going to type in the last name. Oopsie. Okay, I think I can remember it. Aldrete. Gregory. Notice how it's giving me that. It's telling me it should be capitalized. S. And it wants me to tell what it is. It is the author. Coming back over here. The publication was published in Westport, Connecticut by Greenwood. So publication is Westport. You put the city of the state, provide the name of the city and province of breed if in Canada. More than one, so let's go to advanced help. Okay. Okay. I'd always heard that you leave the state out. You knew where the city was, like New York or Chicago, but that's not what it says. But Westport would not be considered an international city, so we're going to put Connecticut there. Okay. Greenwood was a publisher, right? Okay, I will also tell you this, as you're going through this, if you can't find something, think of this like a book, because that's what it is. It's a digital copy of a book. You can literally find the title page, and here's the back side of that title page. Oh, wait, here we go. There's the back side of the title page. All this kind of stuff right here. Okay, so if you can't find something, open this up like it's a book and just use it just like it's a book. And you're going to look on the back side of a title page. So we're going to keep going. And I'm going to go back because I had all my bibliographic information on there. Bibliographic information means the information I use to make the bibliography. Okay, series name. Do you remember it told me that we were in a series, the Greenwood Press's Daily Life Through History series. So we're going to, it's the Daily Life Through History. So that's the name of the series. Okay, so what else do we need to know? Oh, the year of publication. Where's my year? 2004. See if there's anything else. I think that's it. We're going to hit here. We're going to hit save. Look, there's your citation, and it's beautiful and it is correct. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly. So basically, as you add more citations there, it will alphabetize them and put them in the correct order for you. If you need to change something, you actually can edit it right over here. Here's where you do footnote formats, which I don't think you guys are using footnotes, so you don't have to worry, but I want you to know that they're there because you're going to need them next time you do a research project. Okay. And you may not remember, just know that it's available and you should come and ask Ms. Wilkoskis because you know she told you something about this last year. That's what I want you to know. Okay, so you are going to put all your citations here. Then when you are done, you go to formatting options and you choose what it's going to be called. And it's maybe bibliography, it may be works consulted, whatever, or sources consulted, whatever you choose. I would think sources consulted. So a bibliography typically is works that you cite and you put footnotes and you tell everybody exactly where you got it. Sources consulted you put at the end and it's just all the sources that you use to work on your project. Okay, we're not going to do annotations, we're going to do citations only. So watch what happens. This is just like magic. Okay, and again, picture if there's a bunch of sources here. And it pulled it over here and it puts everything in the hanging indent. This is single spaced in between the citation, then it goes double spaced through between citations, which you would never remember, but you don't have to because Noodletools does it for you. Okay, so that is how to cite this book and how to make that sources consulted or that formatted document that you might need for your ABC book. Let me know if I can help you.